And for all of our discounts or exemptions, you can learn more and apply online. We have a homepage for them set up at mta.info/discounts. So you can visit mta.info/discounts for a homepage, but for each individual discount or exemption plan, you can visit mta.info/the acronym of the plan. So for the low income discount plan or LIDP, you go to mta.info/LIDP. That will take you to the application process and you can apply there. Applicants can also download and print the application if they wish to apply by mail. All applicants receive a formal decision notice once we process their application, and if it's denied, we provide a reason and tell you how to appeal. We are urging everyone to apply now, because even if you know you qualify for a discount or exemption, if you are not granted that discount or exemption by January 5th, you will pay the congestion relief zone toll until it is granted. So you make sure you apply now. Now we'll get closer into the we'll get further into the low income discount plan. Just to be clear, this is something that anyone can apply for, not just residents of the congestion relief zone, not just New Yorkers. So the low income discount plan is for vehicle owners, for drivers who have to drive into the zone on a regular basis and are low income. So these folks may not have access to good transit. They may have to drive into the zone for whatever reason. If they are low income, we are offering them a discount plan. Vehicle owners enrolled in the low income discount plan receive a 50% discount on the congestion relief zone peak period toll. So this applies for peak periods, and the discount begins after the first 10 trips in a calendar month. After the first 10 trips, the drivers receive a 50% discount on all peak period trips after that for the remainder of the calendar month. So again, 10 trips first, doesn't matter if they're peak or overnight, but once you completed 10 in a calendar month, all peak period trips after that are will receive a 50% discount for the rest of the calendar month. And then it resets the next month. Any vehicle owner can apply for this no matter where they live. And in order to qualify, vehicle owners must have a reported federal adjusted gross income for the previous calendar year of no more than $50,000 or be enrolled in a qualifying government assistance program. Now let's get further into how to apply. To apply, again, you can go to mta.info/LIDP, mta.info/LIDP. There you can also download and print out to mail in your application. You can mail your application to the address here. We also have that online, so don't feel like you need to write this down right now, but you can mail it in if you wish to apply. But applying online is the better way to do so, so we encourage you to go online to fill out your application. Now, we talked about eligibility. Again, applying for a LIDP requires that you have a valid New York EasyPass account. So if you don't have one yet, you will need to create one. If you already have one, please make sure that your EasyPass account has your current license plate associated with it. That way the vehicle you are getting a discount for will have that will be associated with the EasyPass account. In order to apply, you need to provide your vehicle registration information, your IRS form 1040 or your tax return transcript, and also any corresponding W-2s from the most recent tax year. Or you can provide proof of enrollment in SNAP and all these other qualifying government assistance programs. Please note, on the documents, your home address must match. So your home address must match in all the documents when you upload them in order to be eligible for a LIDP. Annual recertification is required for LIDP based on the date that the plan was added to your EasyPass New York account. Now, what does this mean? You will need to certify again every year when you are enrolled in a discount or exemption plan. All discounts and exemption plans that were previously set will expire at some point and you will need to recertify. So when you apply, you will be told the date that you need to recertify. You'll be told the date that it goes into effect. If you applied for LIDP in the past and you were granted the discount plan, your date is now January 5th. So let's say you got this granted back in the spring and they told you your plan needs to be recertified at some point. That is now changed because the program has paused. So it will start on January 5th. Now, Make sure when you have your documents that your documents show all of your information. It must be a full document that is up to date. So remember, for your IRS form, your 1040 form, or your tax return transcript and the corresponding W-2s, they need to be from your most recent tax year. So make sure you upload the correct document. It has to be the current version. And for the 1040, you need all pages, not just the front page. You're going to need all pages of that form. In order to apply, you again go online. There you will be asked to create an account. So when you go to mta.info/LIDEP, you will see the items on the left. If you scroll down, you will see the button that says LIDEP sign in or sign up. You're going to click that button. Then you're going to be asked to create an account. So you're going to create an account and we're going to set up some security measures. You will need to provide your email to verify through email. You will need to create a password for your account and you'll need a phone number to have verification purposes there. After you create your account, you will enter your information to apply for IDEP. So you will enter your address, your name, things like that. And again, sorry, I'm just going to go back to this. Again, just to note, you don't have to live in New York to apply for the low income discount plan. You can live anywhere. You just need a New York State Easy Pass account to go through the application. After you enter your personal information as the applicant, you will enter your vehicle and registration information. So you will enter your license plate, you will select the state, and you will upload your registration. Again, please upload something clear that has the full registration. Then you will be asked to enter your Easy Pass New York information. Again, you need a New York State Easy Pass account to enroll in LIDEP. If you don't have an account yet, you can select no here, and you will be pre-approved, granted that you went through everything and it all checks out, right? So you can click no, go through the process, and we will pre-approve you, but ask that you create an Easy Pass New York account. You will then return to this portal and enter your account number. Until you enter your New York State Easy Pass account information, and that you are not fully enrolled in the program and you will not receive the discount. You need to go through the application process, get approved, and if you don't have an Easy Pass New York account, you will be asked to submit it. Only then, when everything's complete, where you have completed the application, you have entered your Easy Pass New York account information, and you've been granted the discount plan, then you will receive the discount. So if you previously applied and you didn't enter your Easy Pass New York account, you need to go back and enter your account number. Until you have all of this together, you will not get the discount. So it's really important. If you select no here, you will be asked to return after you create an Easy Pass New York account to enter your account number. Only then do you get the discount. After that, you'll be asked to submit proof of eligibility. So your documents will be uploaded through this portal. Your documents are kept strictly confidential, and we encourage our applicants to redact their social security number or tax ID if they wish. So you can tape a thing over it when you scan it. You can cover it up when you take the photo. You can hide your social security number or tax ID if you would like. But regardless, your documents are kept strictly confidential, only for the purposes of this program. Here is the next page. If you are choosing to upload proof of enrollment in the government assistance program, you will select which one, and then you will provide the applicant, you will upload your acceptance letter for one of the government assistance programs. If you want to upload your proof of income, you will do so here. You can choose to upload these, and as soon as you submit your application, you will receive a submission confirmation with a case number. So that is your case number for your application. That's the process to apply. You, again, go through the portal and to create an account, enter your information, and then you upload your relevant documents.